What's going on, G Squad? It's your boy, and we back. And I'm tired. Man, right now, man, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, man. I'm off in the truck, finna make a move. A good move, you did. And that move today, finally finna get the SS up under our possession and get it back into the garage. So we're gonna go ahead and start working, you did. So last video I posted up just kind of showed like the SS painted, but there was still a lot of work that needed to be, well, I can't say a lot of work, there still was some work that needed to be done. B, my homie, he went ahead and lined up everything on it, put all the black accents on it. You know what I mean? Overall, man, you know what I mean? I've been working. I can't even front. You know what I mean? So I'm ecstatic about it. You did. So, but you already know what we gotta do first, man. I gotta pick up a tow dolly again. So I think this makes number 5, the 5th rental of this U-Haul joint. So after things calm down, man, like with this whole little land situation, you know what I mean? Oh, I'm definitely gonna get me a trailer. You know what I mean? Because I cannot continue renting these things, $67 a pop, every rental. I done bought a trailer. You know what I mean? Well, that's a, what do you call it? A little note on a trailer. I could have been paying like $100-some odd a month on a trailer, you did? So, but enough with that, man. Just pulling up the U-Haul right now. I'm finna go ahead and run in here real quick, man, and grab this thing. You know what I mean? And then we're gonna be on our move, man, and we got a nice little ride across the city to go get what we need to get, you did? So with that being said, man, we're gonna go ahead and get to work, but you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel, definitely smash the notification bell, man. That way you can stay abreast, stay alert, you know what I mean, to the new drops that's gonna be coming, you did? So we'll be back with you. Boy, that boy pro and driving that trailer thing, you did. Backing that thing up. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, if I be doing it. Yo. Man, pulled out and had to pull right back in, man. The trailer is doing something weird, man. It's binding up. Like when I try to pull off, my truck feel heavy. It's like dragging. So they're trying to figure it out. I think it got something to do. I think it got something to do with this thing being up. I'm supposed to close it, but I don't know how. I don't know how to close it. I feel like it should come up. So we're gonna see. They went to go check on it right now, man. We might have to swap this thing out. It's dragging bad. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Man. I don't even know what to say, y'all. My boy got the SS looking crazy good. It looks even better than what I showed y'all before, man. Let me see if I can get into the sunlight, man. He done put all the black accents on it. The white is perfect. Man, look, man, check it out.
The laptop.
Gotcha.
So
Figured it was.
put the
Man,
wheel
man,
at,
man.
Put the wheel at the top.
I can be
Then
more
go on
excited
the
than what I am
laptop
right
and
now,
put it on
you know,
zero
so.
and-
It's looking looks so good. It's ready. The man behind the master plan, right there. How you feel?
Sir. Good, man.
Get your driveway back?
Yes, sir. More projects.
And so, what about you doing another project? How soon you think you're gonna get into another one?
It's probably about 6 months out.
About 6 months out?
Yo.
Y'all hear, man, he's on standstill, so don't ask. But when he's ready to get back in, you know, we're gonna make sure he get the business, you know? So, but I already got a project for him. He already knows, so. Me first, me first. Man, I appreciate all of it, man.
Hey, no problem,
I really
man.
do,
Yo,
man.
no doubt.
All right, guys, so we're gonna get on the road, let this fine gentleman get back to his family and relax. Now he can relax because he's been working on that thing like non-stop. So stay tuned. You got to think about getting a Gbody? Man, ride, you know what I mean? But man, I done had 2-3 thumbs up so far, man, just driving on the street. I ain't left my man, it ain't been 30 minutes since I left the house, since I left my man's crib, you did? So, that's how you know, man, this thing done right. It done right, you feel me? So, all right, man, hurry up and try to get to the crib, man, get this baby off, take this trailer back. We're about to get to work. You did? Stay tuned.